Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set profile photo on Google Play. So, if you want to set a profile picture on your Google file, the first thing is you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone and then go to the profile of your Google Play. Just click on this. As you can see, my Google Play has already have the profile picture, but I'm going to show you how to change it or to set it. Just click on the Google account option here. Okay, here is my photo, and if you want to set or you want to change it, just click on the photo like this and click on set profile photo. Just click on choose photo. Okay, you can find the photo on your gallery like that, and when you're done, just click on save. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can set profile photo on Google Play. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.